Hello everyone, so today we're going to do a super quick tutorial on how to set up an Omegle chatbot. This is something that will automatically put in a message to an Omegle conversation for you. It's great for spreading any kind of social media, any kind of link that you want somebody to visit, and yeah, let's just crack straight into it because I don't want to keep anybody bored today. So first things first, you're going to need two things. You're going to need an Omegle chat helper. I personally recommend the Chrome extension one. So if you type in Omegle chat helper, click on Omegle chat helper, the first one that comes up, you can see it's already added to my Chrome extension, so that's why it's saying remove from Chrome instead of install. But if you just install this into the if you just install it into Chrome and you're using Chrome anyway, then this will avoid any kind of like spammy malware that you might pop into if you're trying to download anything. So yeah, this is definitely the one I would recommend. What you're also going to need is some kind of auto clicker. The one I've opted for is a download one. If you just type in download auto clicker, usually the top ones are pretty safe to use. As I said, I think I clicked the top one of that as well, and I just downloaded that. You don't need the auto clicker necessarily, but I do recommend it. So once you've got those two installed, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go through to Omegle itself. Right, and then you're going to want to set up what you want your Omegle chat helper to say. So you can see that mine already has some text in it that says, hi, please follow my Instagram, and then it has my Instagram in it. You can put in whatever link you want, whatever, anything like that you want. And you can see that quite a few people use this method as well because they're not interacting with the conversation. It comes through super quickly, and you know, basically they're using the exact same method back at you. What you don't want to do is get caught in a loop or caught on a conversation where somebody is typing back to you for a really long time, because obviously that stops you from sharing the information with the next person that you're going to come across. So for that reason, we use an auto clicker. So you can see just by turning on the Chrome extension Omegle chat helper, putting in your text, it already puts in your text when you first go through. You can see some of what people are using the chatbots for, and then you can go through to your auto clicker. And that will auto click on this stop on the bottom left hand corner, and the exit chat. So that means that you're not going to be on a conversation for more than 30 seconds, or you know, more than 10 seconds, whatever you want to set it to. I personally set mine to 15 seconds. I think you can go shorter, I think you can go longer, but what you need to do is make sure your mouse is over that stop in the bottom left hand corner of the chat. For my specific clicker, you have to press F6 to start, so I'm going to do that now, and you'll start to see that it starts automatically clicking for me, hopefully. Oh, maybe we need that a bit quicker actually. Oh no, I think that's fine once it gets going. Yeah, so you can see that it's just automatically clicking through. A little bit of an example about what that would look like with, say for example, 5 seconds is quite a popular one that people use. Yeah, so there you go. That's all you need to do. Some people set this up for like 5 hours a day and just leave it running on their laptop. It's a great way to drive traffic to anywhere that you want to drive traffic to, basically. If you've got a link, I would definitely recommend linking directly to whatever it is that you want to drive traffic to. If this was helpful at all to anybody, please consider subscribing below. I share free tips on how to promote yourself online, and I plan to do this pretty much weekly from now on. So if this was helpful, please subscribe and let me know if it worked for you. Thank you.